The event, a powerful transformation is underway on Earth. Pleiadian Light Forces Transmission January 28, 2020. Channeled by Michael Love. For immediate planetary broadcast to the starseeds of Earth. Prelude. The Pleiadians have always been here to trigger the starseeds of Earth at just the right moment. We are good reminders and we always come to tap you on the shoulder if need be. The main point we want to make here is focus and don't forget what you are doing. We came to bring hope to this world and to shine a light in the dark. You are a magnificent being of light and you are here on Earth holding positive energetic space on behalf of all of humanity. Now let us continue our great mission here on planet Earth. Godspeed to all great beings of light. Begin transmission. Dear ones, as the great evolution of human consciousness draws near, planet Earth is in the midst of a powerful transformation. A time of incredible change has come to the Earth. As you are aware, since the planetary starseed mass meditations of January 12, 2020, and since the recent major timeline shift, energetic activity levels are in an accelerated state on the surface of planet Earth. Change and heightened activity are occurring on every front as light forces recently broke through the old dark, 3D control matrix that has gripped this world for eons. Exactly 4 Earth days ago, the Councils of Light gave the green light go to the leaders of light stationed on the surface to engage the final phase of Special Operation Storm. What is Operation Storm? Operation Storm was designed by the Galactics 3 Earth years ago, for the purpose of completely removing all archontic, dark controlling forces from the surface of planet Earth. This mission has now entered its final phase. Who are the leaders of light? The leaders of light are light beings stationed in powerful, strategic, and influential positions all around the globe. They were put in place by the Galactics to help to bring forth positive change on planet Earth. These leaders of light blend in with normal human society and work from the inside out to effect change. The leaders of light work with the Galactics and are here for the great purpose of triggering the full liberation of planet Earth. It's important to say here that the mission of these light beings cannot be thwarted as it is a universal level mission, and in fact, their grand mission has already been an overwhelming success as we move further into Earth year 2020. Many of you are among these leaders of light. The Earth Alliance reports this week that as part of this final storm mission, the leaders of light, along with Special Delta Security Forces, were directed to perform the final clearing of all dark forces in this realm and to orchestrate a massive cleanup of all low-vibe, 3D and 4D astral debris on the surface, in preparations for the imminent event culmination of Earth year 2020. You are going to see incredible changes in Earth's leadership and guidance in the coming weeks and months as the remaining 1% of these harmful and controlling dark beings are completely removed from powerful positions and replaced by benevolent leaders of light. When light forces initiated the final storm mission 4 Earth days ago, a great light shined on the Earth and the darkness saw it. The darkness was greatly exposed and it reared its ugly head and growled, "For the last time, we assure you." The Pleiadians say, think of it like this: when light shines on dark things, you can see the dark things better, and the dark things always react to the light in a powerful way. When the light shines, the darkness may have a brief dramatic reaction, but it has no power over the light and it has no other choice than to flee. The darkness cannot be where the light is. The vibration on Earth has reached a level now where darkness cannot continue to exist in this realm. It is fleeing fast, dear one, and the old Anunnaki powers that were have completely lost their grip on this world, dear one. There is a divine plan working behind the scenes right now on Earth, and we simply say, trust the plan. The leaders of light are prevailing and will continue to prevail. There is incredible positive change happening in this cosmos and on planet Earth, and nothing can stop it. The great seers and prophets of old have said, an incredible time was coming on the earth when great change would occur. That time is now, Great One. Dear One, we want you to begin to see the extreme change that's occurring on earth from a higher perspective. You must remember that two different dimensions are clashing with each other, which creates some chaos. As galactic operations move forward, and as major change occurs on the surface, a bit of chaos is the natural result, as one system is replaced by a new and better one that has the best interest of all of humanity in mind. The excited energy levels currently on Earth are simply the natural result of change, and eternal change, dear one, is the only universal constant. What is important here is, things are finally changing for the better, no matter what is still perceived in the outer world. This is simply the remnants of what was. A new positive, 5D timeline is fully in place now, and a new world is being created here where peace and harmony prevail, and where all of mankind is abundant, healthy, and free. Pleiadian Council to the light beings on the surface. The Pleiadians call on all the light beings of Earth to now return their focus to 5D Earth, and again only giving energy to positive, beautiful things, continuing to raise the vibration of Earth. Do you see what happened this past Earth week on planet Earth with all the energetic activity, especially in the old Matrix mainstream media? Yes, you do. Now do what you know how to do. We are here to remind you that you are the creator of your world. You create what you see, so stop seeing what you do not wish to see. Stop looking at it. Stop talking about it. Stop watching it. Stop thinking about it. Stop fearing it. Stop broadcasting it. Stop resisting it and fighting it. Change focus. This is the real change. We are not naive, and yes, we know that we all must be aware of things. However, now that you are aware of it, keep it in the back of your mind and simply change your focus. It is what it is. Now, where is your focus? Know that all is well and as it should be in the grand scheme of things. Have a bit of faith that things are working out for your good, and that a new world is dawning for all of humanity. We are here to assure you that things really are getting better and will continue to get better as we move forward. You are the great observer and a master creator being, and we say, be the master that you are. Big changes are indeed happening on Earth, and there is absolutely nothing to fear in all of it. The Great Awakening is well underway, Great One, and a new Earth and an amazing new day for humankind is dawning. Steady as we go and shine your light now brighter than ever. We speak great peace and love tonight to all the beings of planet Earth. Godspeed. Michael and the Pleiadians. 5DEarthProject.com. Special credit and acknowledgement to the Earth Alliance, the Great White Brotherhood, the White Dragon Society, Pleiadian codename, Cobra, the Guardians of Earth, and the Sphere Being Alliance.